ladies, I am back. Oh my gosh, so we left the Pigeon Point, the boat excursion, and we headed here to Scarborough, I think that's how you say it, to CP's Bird Sanctuary, where we'll be feeding the hummingbirds today. But right now we're in Charlottesville. We rode through, I can't remember the other city, but we're in Charlottesville, so I got a chance to see the schools and the kids getting out of school and just how life functions and moves around here, and I absolutely love it. Like, I just feel like I can't even explain this feeling. It's like where I'm supposed to be. It's weird. It's so, I'm losing track of days. I don't know what day it is. I mean, I know it's Friday, but I don't know the date, the time. My clock says one thing, the clock in the car says another thing. It's like a total different dimension. So we're here now, parked in the woods. Let me close this door. We're here parked in the woods. We're gonna walk to see if there's another waterfall back here. So we have to walk over the bridge. We couldn't drive over the bridge, so that is what we're doing now. But when I tell you, y'all, like, riding the coastline, just taking it all in. I can't, like, I wanted to get my camera out, but I'm just like, I want to be in the moment, you know. I want to be able to just remember and have like that time where I'm just in that moment, you know. So I'll record this part, but I wanted to record all the other stuff, but I just didn't feel like it. Like, I just wanted to be there. So all right, we're gonna take a hike now, so let's go in the woods. Can I get over that? Let me see. Yeah, I think I can. Here, baby. Take that. Alright, so we're down at the bottom of the river. So we're gonna go and see the river part, which is across over where we came from when we were driving. There was nothing much to see back there. We're gonna go over here and see the river part. We both gotta pee.
I'm gonna wash off my face.
Wash your face? Okay. I need to wash my feet. Just walk in it, just step in it, baby. Okay. I'm gonna wash my feet. Look at that. Look at my toes. Oh. Hands. Baby.
Oh, baby.
Hands, please. Yeah.
Yeah. Walk up.
Okay, thank you.
A little more of a step.
Okay.
I just took your car keys, but you don't really get to blame me. You told me that I'm crazy, but you've been cheating on me on the daily. I don't really do this, why you gotta do me like this? I bought into all your lies, thought you were mine. Now I'm busy. And now I'm busy. Now I'm busy. So busy. I just took your car keys, but you don't really get to blame me. You told me that I'm crazy, that you've been cheating on me on the daily. I don't really do this, why you gotta do me like this? I bought in all your last, thought you were mine. Now I'm busy. And now I'm busy. So busy. When I first met you in 2010, you were with your ex back then. I was one of your best friends. We would call for hours until we slept. Wasn't it obvious that I want you to be mine? Only if you knew how much I adored you. It hurt me when I saw you with somebody else. I put you first, I wish you saw that. I wish you saw that. I put you first, I wish you saw that. When I first met you in 2010, you were with your ex back then. I was one of your best friends. We would call for hours until we slept. Wasn't it obvious that I want you to be mine? Only if you knew how much I adored you. It hurt me when I saw you with somebody else. I put you first, I wish you saw that. I wish you saw that. I put you first, I wish you saw that. I wish you saw that. I put you first, I wish you saw that. It hurt me when I
comes the thing called.
Sunshine has got me feeling so nice.
Give me now.
Sunshine has got me
Give me now.
feeling so nice and happy.
Again.
Sunshine has got me
Hear me now.
feeling so nice.
Again.
Sunshine has got me feeling so nice and happy.
Watch ya now, living in sunshine, one of the best atmosphere. 95 degrees, you know we no care. On the beach we have to reach, cause you know we not bleach. Sun so hot, you have to put on your shades. Ladies come out in shorts and your bikini place. Body so smooth, me have to shout, oh jeans. Say we chilling at the bar, taking shots all day. No bad vibes, good vibes all day. Call your family and friends, it's a good sunny day. Kids them up play from Sunday to Sunday. Let's all have fun, we have food and rum. Father God, it's a blessing to see another day. Even though it's hot, we love it anyway. It's the perfect time to work or play. Give me the sunshine, give me the sunshine. Give me the sunshine.
Sunshine has got me
Alright.
feeling so nice. Sunshine has got me feeling so nice and happy.
Watch ya now.
Sunshine has got me
Alright.
feeling so nice. Sunshine has got me
Watch ya now.
feeling so nice and
Come now.
happy.
Well, it's a tropical vibe, everything alright. But me no in a no fuss and me no in a no fight. Whether you're black or white and me say purple or blue, love is for you, love is for you. Wake up every morning with a clean heart. Real and true, real and true. Drinking coconut water every day. In the this a tropic, so we live and so we stay. Meet and greet friends, night and day. Well, if you're coming in from the cold, the sunshine, it is good for your soul. Go and tell your friend, tell them and tell you so. It's a positive vibe from head to toe. Strictly love we are deal with, no foe. Give me the sunshine, give me the sunshine. Give me the sunshine and make it girls them wine.
Sunshine has got me feeling so
Alright,
nice.
alright.
Sunshine has got me feeling so nice and happy. Sunshine has got me feeling so
Watch ya now.
nice. Sunshine has got me feeling so nice and happy.
Watch ya now. Give me the sunshine,
has
give me
got
the sunshine.
feeling so
sunshine,
nice.
give me the sunshine,
Sunshine has
give me
got
the
me
sunshine.
feeling so nice and
Give me
happy.
the sunshine, give me the sunshine.
Sunshine has got me feeling so nice. Sunshine has got me feeling so nice and happy.
I say we rise with the sun, yeah. We give a thanks to the morning come. See the morning sun and I'm feeling so fine. Hear my favorite song and I gotta hit rewind. Give me them old tracks from culture. Give me that, give me that. Cause this a reggae music got me high. Yeah. Gotta keep moving. Gotta get working. Don't let this world get in your way. Oh no. Everybody working. Yeah, we're working. Everybody moving. Oh yeah. With a positive vibe every day. Oh yeah. I'm sipping my coffee, man. I'm living the good life. My empress makes some porridge, yeah, she treats me so kind. I'm feeding off this reggae roots and culture. Oh yeah, this a country living's got me high. Oh yeah, gotta keep moving. So we gotta get working. Oh yeah, don't let this world get in your way. Oh no, everybody working, so we're working. Everybody moving, so we're moving. With a positive vibe every day. Oh yeah. favorite song and I gotta hit rewind. One way, give me that old track from culture. Give me that, cause this a reggae music got me high. One way, gotta keep moving, so we gotta keep working. Oh yeah, don't let this world get in your way. Oh no, everybody work, yes we keep on working. Everybody move it, oh yeah, with a positive vibe every day. Gotta keep moving, yes we gotta keep on, we gotta keep working. Oh yeah, don't let this world get in your way. Oh no, everybody working, yeah we working. Everybody moving with a positive vibe.
I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I always told, nah, I always told, yeah. I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I always told, nah, I always told, yeah. She's my African mother, strong and pure, a shining light, yeah, always endure. Through every hardship and every trial, her love for me, yeah, it gon' never expire. Your love was always true. Your love was, she sacrificed so much for me. Sacrificed so much, so much. Your love was always true. Her love was always true. And I owe it all to you. And I know I owe it all to you. I owe it all to you. Hey, I owe it all to you. Hey, I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need. She's my African mother, strong and pure, a shining light, yeah, always endure. Through every hardship and every trial, her love for me, yeah, it gon' never expire. Your love was always true. 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 I owe it all to you. I owe it all to you. I owe it all. I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need. I owe it all. Her love for me, yeah, it gon' never expire. love is the answer. My good people, how not they? Beautiful people, tell me what in day. Love is the answer. Bitterness full the world today, full the world today. People lamenting. Everywhere you go, people just they cry. What is the answer? To love is to serve them people. To love is to help them people. Action they say speaks louder than words. That is the answer. My good people, how not they? Beautiful people, tell me what in day. Love is the answer. May we show love to one another. That's how we go grow together. Nothing go put us asunder. Asunder, love is the answer. Imagine yomo, imagine yomo. Urima, 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 imagine yomo. Imagine yomo, imagine yomo. Urima, 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 imagine yomo. Love is the answer. The earth is my one country and mankind is citizens. Pride not yourself cause you love your country. Your happiness you can because you love the whole world. Urima, 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 ima is the answer. My good people, how not they? Beautiful people, tell me what in day. Love is the answer. May we show love to one another. That's how we go grow together. Nothing go put us asunder. Asunder, love is the answer. May we show love to one another. That's how we go grow together. Nothing go put us asunder. Asunder, blessings go shower. May we show love to one another. That's how we go grow together. Nothing go put us asunder. Asunder, blessings go shower. Everybody got to live as brothers. Never to mind any borders. Action they say speaks louder than words. That is the answer. My good people, how not they? Beautiful people, tell me what in day. Love is the answer. May we show love to one another. That's how we go grow together. Nothing go put us asunder. Asunder, love is the answer. May we show love to one another. That's how we go grow together. Nothing go put us asunder. Asunder, blessings go shower. When we show love to one another, that's how we go grow together. Nothing go put us asunder. Asunder, love is the answer. Love is the answer, man. Hey, every today, yes, so.
Guys, we are at CP's Bird Sanctuary. I'm gonna go and I'm about to fall. Where I'm gonna go and feed the hummingbirds. There's other people here, so we are guests at the sanctuary. And yeah, we're creeping up now. I see the birds flying everywhere. I'm so excited I made it. So yeah, hold tight. We're gonna see the hummingbirds. Oh my God, look at them go. Look at them go. Oh my God. Whoa, what is that?
That's a capybara or agouti. Or agouti.
Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Look at them go. Look at the hummingbird.
Let's step up and do it.
Okay. They're coming.
Keep still, right?
Keep still.
Yeah.
Relax,
Are you gonna see the hummingbird?
The statue.
The hummingbirds?
Yeah. They come, baby. Oh my God, here they come. Look at them. Baby, look at them go. Oh my God, look at them. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Come, come. Come, come. Come to Nick. Come, come. That's crazy. You see the barrack. Okay, sorry. Oh, look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God. No fair.
therapeutic for me too.
Oh, so
Very.
therapeutic. I actually go out in nature just for this.
Yeah. Oh, you do blogging too or something?
I do. I blog.
Right.
Yeah.
So okay, well,
I travel. I've been to like I think now 13 countries. So
right. So I know you're gonna put me up big time.
definitely, definitely. How was there? That's amazing. That's good. Are you gonna feed me or what? You gonna talk? So you want me to drink or you gonna talk? Yeah. It's good. Is it good? Yeah. Hello.
So that is showing people that is gonna woo people.
They
Yeah,
love
yeah,
that.
yeah.
That was amazing. I hope I got that on film. Like, I had so many come to me. I was feeling kind of bad at first. I'm like, they don't want me, but they finally came and they stayed a while. So absolutely breathtaking, like amazing. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit more of a tour so y'all can see around. But if you're ever in Tobago, you've got to visit CP Bird Sanctuary. Like, this is the place, okay? On the outside, so brick track them. Okay. Yes. Yes. I love that.
Grateful for all the things I've seen. Grateful for
What we
all
doing
the
next?
Lord's blessing. Ain't gonna stop, no way, no how.
Right. Say it.
Grateful, yeah, I'm grateful. Grateful, yeah, I'm grateful. Oh Lord. Grateful, yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
Yes.
I ain't got no reason to be hateful. Hair and nails paid for. I'm so thankful. Put you through some things I know that was quite painful. Grateful, yeah, I'm grateful. Yeah, I'm grateful. Yeah, God gave me everything that I prayed for. Just what I pray for, oh Lord. Just what I pray for, oh Lord. Grateful, grateful, yeah, grateful.
Said I'm grateful, grateful.
I'm so grateful, I'm grateful, oh Lord. Just what I pray for. Just what I pray for, oh
Oh, let me do my little sign. Love it. Oh, I love it so much. All right, let me stop this. Literally. Oh, they're just feeding down there.
Right there. That's a good shot to use it. Do a line there. That's beautiful.
Oh, they're everywhere, CP. They're everywhere. Wow. Wow. I mean, I would just be in hog heaven every day. What made you start this?
And my dad,
Your dad.
yeah, my dad used to be feeding the
Amazing man. My mom does this. My mom feeds birds. She's in love with hummingbirds. She tells me all the time to get feeders, and I don't. I've never gotten one, but I'm gonna get one now, just to see. Wow. This is absolutely amazing. Look at this.
Let's see, I'm actually filming you.
Uh-huh.
But it's normally well maintained then.
Oh, it's okay.
But he has some problems with his truck. Like he goes around with his equipment.
Uh-huh.
So he cannot come today. Let me go here first.
Damn. Okay,
Right,
let's go.
so
I get a full tour, guys.
yeah. So don't mention.
everything because everybody needs the
Look at how
healing.
they're out, Trinidad.
Look at this. It smells so good. Wow. Oh, listen at him. Wow.
So see how they are out in abundance now. This is
I'm flabbergasted.
so folks. This is
I've never
Adashi all the way
seen
from Los Angeles. You are live at Adashi. I'm running a live for you now.
Oh, you're running up. Hi, everybody. I made it to Tobago. I made it to CP's Bird Sanctuary.
Good to see who. You need to let them know who influenced. So let me take you down now to the apartment to show
Okay.
you where. It's that way.
Oh, this
To
way.
show you where African tigress would have stayed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next
Yeah,
time I
but
come, I stay. Please.
And there's some others in the area, like this guy down there.
Yes.
So there will be room for your whole
Oh,
team to
nice.
up there.
Does he get the birds down there too?
No.
No.
Right there, so you just walk
Oh,
up.
just walk up. Okay.
Yeah, for the exercise for you. So those that we are seeing there with the white to the back of the neck, those are called the white neck Jacobin. The white neck Jacobin. So that's the male. In the animal kingdom, the male are more attractive.
Ah, yeah, the males are more attractive. The girls are the browner ones, huh?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
So this is what we consider the rush hour feeding time. Hummingbirds feed mainly on mornings and evenings. But they are there throughout the day. But that's the time when they come out most to feed. After they get up from bed, they come out and start to feed. And when going into bed, they feed a lot too. So it's the best time you can come.
Who feeds the most, males or females?
No, that's interesting. You know, I've never.
You don't know.
Uh-huh.
We should.
That's something I need to research.
Yep, you can start researching that.
Yeah.
And watching.
And the female who consume the most nectar. I know they consume twice their body weight in nectar per day, but I don't know who feeds the most. Yeah.
This is amazing.
That's an interesting.
All right, guys, just outside of the feeding sanctuary here is CP's Airbnb or guest house where African tigers did stay. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's the perfect spot for maybe 1 to 2 guests.
2 guests, yeah.
Yeah.
Self-contained,
So
fully
you have
self-contained.
a bar here. You
Yeah.
have refrigerator, beautiful countertop, stove, window to see out, microwave. And here's a sitting area with beautiful couch, windows to see the birds. That's the most important thing. Full-size TV, a shelf for reading books and lounging. It's plenty of space in here. Like you can actually move around really, really good. And then it's a huge bed.
I'm gonna just fix it.
And just to the right, you walk into the bedroom. There is shelving for your clothing, 2 shelves, nice open vanity. There's a lot of storage room here if you want to put a computer or your reading books, anything like that, and a huge bed. Amazing, amazing. More windows. We love windows. Air conditioned. Very important in Trinidad. Might I say, very important in Trinidad. And you have a full restroom here, which is absolutely amazing. You have storage, nice toilet, and here is the shower. Let me
Hot
turn.
and cold shower.
Hot and cold shower. Look, it's a rain head. That part. So yes, contact CP's Bird Sanctuary if you're ever in Tobago and you're interested in B&B services as well as seeing his wonderful hummingbirds. Okay, and that's him. Can you say hi?
Hi,
Mr.
hi.
CP, there
Welcome
he is.
to Tobago, Adashi. We love you.
We love you too.
Yes.